and a very warm welcome. Just about to record for you a short summary of our Improvers Solo Slow Waltz Practice Routine number 9. And the full class for this was taught on Zoom on the 3rd of April 2023. So if you're looking for the full class, head on over to the website livetodance.eu and look into the solo Ballroom Latin channel on the Improvers page, and you will see the entire class. All broken down, nice and slow, lots of explanations, practiced multiple times with the music. And this is just a short summary without music. Let's make a little start. 3 sections. I'm going to start with a left foot closed change. 1, 2, 3. Right foot spin turn. 1, 2, and 3. Slight overturn and a forwards lock step. 1 and 2. Brush out and promenade ending, and 3. That's section 1. Section 2, I'm going to start with the chassis. 1, 2, and 3. Little left contra check. 1, 2, 3. And a little right contra check. 1, 2, 3. Slight overturn so that I can then go on to section 3. Heel turns, back, heel turn, exit, back, heel turn, exit, and a little run to the corner. Okay? In fact, that's actually section 2. Yes, that's section 2. Now section 3, I'm going to posture and rotate my body for a bar, and then I'm going to go back on my left, back on my right and stay down, pivot, then forwards, side, cross into a little whisk, forwards and chassis on the way out, and 1 step forwards to pause for the last bar. Okay, let's look at all of that again. Section 1 with the timing. Basic, 1, 2, 3. Spin turn, 1, 2, and 3. Lock step. 1 and 2, brush out on 3, that's and 3. That was section 1. Section 2, forwards to the chassis, 1, 2, and 3. Contra check, 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Slight overturn, heel turn on my left foot, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Long and straight, brush it in. Shape for the next 1, 2, 3. And now I head off again. Section 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1. I'm going to put the whole thing together and just dance it with the numbers nice and quickly. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, and 1, 2, 3. Like I said, very short summary. It's a little bit too quick. Head on over to the video library, check out the full class. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much. Please think about hitting that subscribe button. Tell YouTube that you like these videos and help my channel grow. And if you're already supporting me in the website on the video library, then thank you so much for your support, and I will see you all again very soon. Bye bye.